Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to give my first impressions on the Galaxy Buds 4. The retail price, $179. These come in two different colors, a white and this black we're going to be checking out here today. And on paper, these are very similar to the new Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. We just don't have the silicone ear tips with these. And some of the new audio quality improvements that made their way to the Buds 4 Pro are lacking here on the Buds 4, but I'm curious to see if these are worth a lower price. Inside the box, have our buds on top. See what else we get. Inside of here, we have just a little bit of paperwork, no charger or charging cable included with these buds. Let's go ahead and check out the star of the show here, Galaxy Buds 4. So first impressions out of the packaging, very similar overall to the Buds 4 Pro. Might be the same exact case actually. We still have the same overall design, some metal finish on the outside. Let's go ahead and take a look at these buds. So we have, once again, what looks like just a black pair of AirPods, a little bit more of a glossier look on these ones compared to the Pros. Overall, a slightly different look than what we have on the Buds 4 Pro on the left here, Buds 4 on the right. Have our same ear sensor there, but again, just not having that silicone tip there. We'll see how that affects the noise canceling. As far as taking these in and out, no problem there. Good, strong connection in this. We have the same LED light indicator as on those Buds 4 Pro, so it looks like we have a charge on these. Pretty lightweight finish overall, and cool that you can see the earbuds outside the case. Let's go ahead and pair these. So you're just going to open up your case, get a pop-up here, Galaxy Buds 4, new device has been found. Let's go ahead and connect. So really quick connection, and similar to the Buds 4 Pro, just go into your settings, and right there at the top, you're going to see your buds. So we have our Buds 4 here. So everything you would expect here, your battery life percentages of your case and the earbuds, your various sound modes. We still have all the same settings here as on the Pros. You can go into your equalizer settings here to change things a bit. There are still advanced features such as the gaming mode for better latency. So a lot to play around with and customize here in the settings. We also have the same pinch and swipe gestures as we do on the Buds 4 Pro. So you can see here my volume changing over there when doing the swipe gestures. It's very responsive, feels really nice. And it's been about a month now since my last recording. I just wanted to share that I actually returned these Buds 4. I have stuck with the Buds 4 Pro moving forward. I know this video is for the Buds 4, but I just wanted to share that on these Buds 4, without them having the silicone tips, they did not fit in my ear at all. Any basic movement of my head or body, they would be falling out of my ears. Mind you, this is coming from someone who used the Buds 3 last year. These didn't have the silicone tips either. These fit snug in the ear, have a great secure fit, but it seems like Samsung changed up the design this year and these no longer fit in my ear. So if you were looking at these Buds 4 because of their lower price, unfortunately, because of their design, I cannot recommend them. I've personally stuck with the new Buds 4 Pro. These have a much more secure fit in the ear, maybe a little less comfortable because of the tighter silicone tip on your ear, but I can wear these for hours on end and have no ear fatigue at all. And I would also say that the noise canceling is good enough on this Buds 4 series that you should get the ones with the silicone tips anyways to get a better seal in your ear for the best possible active noise cancellation. I have worn these vacuuming around the house, didn't hear it at all. Wore these out mowing the lawn the other day, didn't hear any noise. When you have these in and have some music on, you do not hear anything in your environment at all. Excellent noise cancellation on these Buds 4 Pro. So I know this video is cutting off abruptly, but I wanted to at least share that I personally cannot recommend the Buds 4. They just don't have a proper fit in the ear for me personally. And I'll be curious to hear if anyone out there has Buds 4, if they're working and fitting well for them. Definitely let us know in the comments below. But I would say moving forward, you should definitely consider the Buds 4 Pro if you can afford that higher price tag. Let me know if you want to hear any more thoughts on these ones in a future video. But if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give a like on your way out. Check out my video on those Buds 4 Pro if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.